Question number 1. What are magnetic field lines? Answer. Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines that depict the magnetic field's strength and direction. 2. What is malleability? Explain by example. Answer. Malleability is a property of a material by which it can be beaten to form thin sheets. Examples: zinc, iron, aluminum, etc. 3. What is calcination? Answer. The process of heating the ore strongly below its melting point and thus converting the ores into oxides is called calcination. The calcination is carried out in a limited supply of air or the absence of air. Example: decomposition of calcium carbonate into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. 4. What is the Mendeleev's periodic law? How many periods and groups were there in Mendeleev's periodic table? Answer. Mendeleev's periodic law states that the properties are a periodic function of their atomic mass. This means that the chemical and physical properties of the elements recur periodically when the elements are arranged in the order of their atomic weights. There are 8 groups and 7 periods in Mendeleev's periodic table. 5. What is blood? Write its 2 functions. Answer. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of plasma, blood cells, and platelets. Functions: I. It circulates throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to various cells and tissues. Forms blood clots to prevent excess blood loss. 6. What do you mean by inherited traits? Answer. The traits that are transmitted by the parent to its offspring during the process of fertilization are inherited traits. 7. Give examples of abiotic components of an ecosystem. Answer. Air, weather, water, temperature, humidity, etc. are examples of abiotic components of an ecosystem. 8. Why is the color of the clear sky blue? Answer. Sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions by all the gases and particles in the air. Blue light is scattered more than the other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time. 9. An object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. Answer. (10) What does one mean by endothermic and exothermic reaction? Give examples. Answer. Endothermic reaction, the chemical reaction in which the heat is absorbed, is known as an endothermic reaction. Examples are melting ice cubes and melting solid salts. Exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that involves the release of energy in the form of heat or light. Examples are the burning of a candle and the reaction of a strong acid with water. 11. The electronic configuration of an atom of an element is 2, 8, 7. What is the atomic number of this element? What is the number of period? What is the number of group? Answer. Atomic number. 17, period, 3, group, 17, 12. Give reasons for the formation of large number of carbon compounds. Answer. The reasons for the formation of a large number of carbon compounds are: A. Catenation. The element, carbon, forms a large number of carbon compounds because of its property of self-combination. The ability of one carbon atom to combine with many other carbon atoms to form long chains produces a large number of carbon compounds. B. Tetravalency. Carbon has valency 4 to attain noble gas configuration. Carbon shares its valence electrons with other elements. 13. How are water and minerals transported in plants? Answer. In plants, water and minerals are transported through xylem cells from the soil to the leaves. The xylem cells of roots, stems and leaves are interconnected to form a conducting channel that reaches all parts of the plant body. The root cells take ions from the soil. 14. What is fossil fuels? What are the disadvantages of fossil fuels? Answer: